So how did you have come up with a platform called Webtalk Legends? Webtalk Legends. What inspired you to come to take that step?
Traffic. So everything, I'm very traffic motivated. So when I do something, it's to start with traffic, but then how do you get the traffic? So the way you get traffic, the way you get money or anything, you got to deliver value. So Webtalk Legends isn't designed to make money. Webtalk Legends is designed to create more in Webtalk. So the more you create in Webtalk, the more money you're going to just naturally get. So the money comes. You don't have to put the money first. It'll come last. So, and it'll come more. If you're not putting it first, it'll come more. If you're putting it first, you're only going to get little bits. You're going to have to work every single day. But if you're putting it if that's at the end of your goal, so the money is not your goal. The money is not your driving force. Your driving force is my driving force is getting around Webtalk. So the whole idea of Webtalk Legends is to get everywhere through Webtalk. Okay, and that's going to be set many different ways. So there's the value in training, there's value in competitions, there's value in giveaways. So there's things set up that are going to increase in time as Webtalk Legends grows. That's going to be spread more. So as Webtalk grows itself, Webtalk Legends is going to grow with it. And by doing that, we're in front of more people. And by being in front of more people, I can give my ways. So not everyone needs to follow what I do, and I wouldn't expect that. But some people do want to build something inside Webtalk or create their own business or create good posts or something, and they do lack that information. By being everywhere in Webtalk, I can give them that. So I've got email subscriptions and stuff on the site. I've made up some merch now. So the idea is to get seen by everybody, so everybody knows of it, everybody trusts it, and they actually listen it and participate. And this way, with everyone's listening and participating, I can follow up with, let's say, your trend line. Let's say you're just new in Webtalk, you're just invited. So I've just taken that pressure off you, having to ask people to engage, having to ask people to refer. All of this, I can take that pressure off you from inside of Webtalk with Webtalk Legends. And in return, all I'll get in return is the traffic. So and that will be like my income will be from that down the track. So you need a lot of traffic to make a lot of money, but down the track I will have that traffic. I will have my benefits. The universe will give it back to me anyway. So yeah, the driving force and what keeps me going is just so many people are asking. So the more I see people asking and in need, the more I want to give. And the more I want to give is because giving is the key. So if whatever you want, whether it be money, whether it be fame, whatever it is, you got to give something to get it. So you continuously give, and you're going to get it. So like I could charge for things and that, but that's not my driving force. So my driving force is the traffic, not the money. So yeah, so that's I give for traffic. So my exchange, so what I'm exchanging is my service for your traffic. So a lot of other people will exchange their service for their money. I'm different. I want traffic. So money's not my motivator.